Welcome to the next lesson. How are you, everybody? So today we are having another class, interesting class of how to find a profession. Today I am going to discuss about one sample chart, which will be our sample chart for calculations. So also plus we will see this next step. So today the next step is the planet which obtains the highest degree in your chart. And you know that there are 8 planets which are going to compete for that position. One is Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, and Rahu. These are the 8 planets which will be competing, and Ketu is not going to compete. So, out of these 8, which is the planet which obtains the highest degree? And you know that every planet can obtain the maximum high degree is only 30 degree. That is a maximum. So if you take your birth horoscope and you will find that each planet obtains some degrees, and you will find that which is the top among all, and mark that particular planet as 1, rank number 1. If Jupiter is the number 1, you just mark number 1. Take that planet and see where that particular planet had went to the Navamsha, in which Rashi. Take that Rashi owner as your next counter planet. Okay. So now I am going to go and share the screen of C.S. Patel, who was an astrologer as a practice, and also he is a very famous astrologer. So we are going to take his horoscope. So we don't know about the accuracy, but still we can take this as a sample horoscope for our future. So his date of birth is 31 December 1915, 1944 p.m. Ahmedabad. So you can able to see now the horoscope in my screen. Now if you see, the highest among all is Jupiter, which is having 29 degree and 27 minutes, followed by 25 degree 12 minutes of Mercury. So Jupiter is the highest planet. So I am marking that Jupiter as number 1. And where is the Jupiter in the Navamsha? You can see the Navamsha, the Jupiter is in Gemini Rashi. So that means the count planet will be Mercury, who is the lord of the Gemini. This is a procedure for the next step. So we are following this horoscope in the future. And in the previous steps, I think some of the people would have joined now. So I just repeat the so far covered steps, what we have done. So we have seen that the first step is 10th house planet, any planet which is in the 10th house. In this horoscope, there is no planet which is in the 10th house. Then you must be seeing the planet which are seeing the 10th house. So which planet is actually seeing the 10th house? You can see only Moon. So we are marking Moon. Okay. And we are taking the 10th Lord, which is Mars, for this particular horoscope. And where is Mars has gone? The Mars has gone to the Sun's house, which is Leo. So we account is now become Moon, Mars, Sun, and then we are taking the 10th house Lord and see where it is in the Navamsha. So you can see the 10th house Lord, which is in the Mercury. So we are having Mercury as the next one. And also we found the highest degree planet also is Jupiter, and the Mercury is again the count. So far if you see the count planets for this horoscope, the moon the first count is that the 10th house, there is no planet, so there is absolutely 0. But the 7th house, the moon is actually aspecting the 7th aspect to the Aries. So you have to take moon as the first planet, and the 10th lord is Mars. So we are taking the Mars. And where is Mars, which is sitting, where is Mars gone to? It is into Leo, and the Rashi lord of the Leo is Sun. And we have seen the 10th lord's position in the Navamsha, which is in the Gemini. So the lord is Mercury. 1 second, I'm just checking. Yeah. And we also had seen the highest degree planet, which is Jupiter, and is also in the Mercury Navamsha. So again, the Lord becomes Mercury. So as of today, this sample horoscope is taken a lead of Mercury. You can see that very clearly, right? So Mercury has taken the lead in the CS Patel horoscope. So I'm just giving you the people who are actually watching North Indian uh, style. I'm just giving you the North Indian chart so that you can see the North Indian chart as well. So now if you see, this is the chart of North India. So I'm just repeating the exercise again. The 10th Lord is 12, 11, 10. So the 10th Lord for this particular person is nothing. Actually, there is 0. Yes. And the Lord is Mars. Sorry, Moon is aspecting the this particular house. So we are taking the Moon, and then the Lord is Mars. So we took the Mars, and the Mars has gone to the Leo's house. We taken Leo, and the Mars has went to the Navamsha. So I want to put this as Navamsha. One moment. So here you can see both went into Navamsha. So I think now it's okay. I will just check here. Okay. So now you can see the Mars has went to the Mercury Navamsha, and the Jupiter, who is the highest degree planet, also it is in the Mercury Navamsha. So the total count has become Mercury as 2, Mars 1, Sun 1, and Moon 1 as of the today's class. So I hope it is very clear. Now the planetary aspect, I have already said that Sun aspects 7th house, Moon aspects 7th house, at a Purna Drishti, Mercury 4, 7, 4, 7 and 8, Mars 4 and 8, Jupiter 5 and 9, Venus 7 aspect, Saturn is 3 and 10, Rahu 5 and 9. So these are the aspectry as far as the calculation you have to take. So take in that way and find out which are all the count planets which you are able to get it. So in that way, we will proceed and finish the entire exercise to find what is the planet which is actually giving him a profession. Okay. So likewise, today's class is over, and I hope that anybody who is having a doubt henceforth will follow the sample chart and then compare this with your chart. So then you will be able to pick up very easily and find out which profession, which planet is actually providing you the profession. Okay. Thank you very much. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video to find out which planet is actually the provider of profession, and who are all actually in the race, because it is practically the planets are competing each other in a person's chart to find a suitable profession for the person. So that planet plays an important pivotal role in making your career stable. So the purpose of our video, that everybody was asking that, sir, what should be my career, whether that career will be okay, or whether I will be having problems with my career, is there any problem in my chart, all these things parallelly. So we are going to come up with several videos which will help the people to find out their own crucial planet, which is career. Thank you very much once again. If you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe. If you have liked this video, share it with your friends, share it with your relatives. I'm sure you will do that. And if you have any doubt henceforth, kindly ask also, because from today we have arrested that issue by giving a sample chart through which we will be able to progress well, I presume. Thanks a lot.